Hey everybody, Proverbs 27:9 Fragrances here. And just want to do a short, quick little video in the My Favorite Things series. Going to do an unboxing of one of my favorite things. And it is hats. And so this comes from Printed Kicks. PrintedKicks.com. Not a sponsor, of course, but just a place where I like to buy things. And so just gonna unbox one of my favorite things. If you haven't watched my favorite things video, of course it's not all of my favorite things. I just did 5 of my favorite things, and pocket knives was in there. Hats was not. Watches, musical instruments, what else was on that list? I can't remember. It was 5 of my favorite things. I'm going to do another one of those, and hats will probably be on it. So this is just a couple. I bought a couple of new hats from Printed Kicks. And this is what I got. Now, I'll say this. I like a flat bill hat, but I don't like, what I like is I like, and I found this out from ordering through them, I like a regular bill hat, and I like to just flatten it out. I don't really like a hat that is made flat bill, because the bill it's actually a different bill. It's a wider bill, and it just looks strange on my head. And so what I do is I get, in fact, I had to send those back and order these. And I just got the exact same ones. They were real good about, remaking them for me. Didn't charge me anything. All I had to do was pay to ship them, the original ones, back. And they turned it around real quick. So, but let's see. Printed Kicks, I'm trying to think. I know they sew on their own label, but I don't think I was thinking they use branded bills, but I guess they don't. This hat is a, let's see, Infinity Headwear is the brand. And then, of course, they kind of sew their own logo on it, but they leave the Infinity logo there for everybody to see. So it's not like it's, like they're trying to totally get over, but they put their patches on and everything. And so anyways, if you're looking for some good headwear, this is my second order from them. And I like a trucker style hat. So what I got one where, it's solid black. And then I got this One Nation Under God patch on it. And then I got a white and black for a little bit of contrast, and kind of got the American flag with the Christian emblem in it there, cross. And but they have all kinds of different things on there. Again, this is not a sponsored video or anything. I just like to show you from time to time something a little different, some of my favorite things. And one of my favorite things is hats. So there you go, guys. Short and simple, quick, to the point. Some of my favorite things. Let me know down in the comments, what are your favorite things. Make sure you like and subscribe, and check out my other videos. Till I see you down the road, God bless. Frag on, Frag fam.